My name is Teresa Kovlak, and today we are going to be making one of these little trinket trays. I'm making this on a silver plated platter, and this is the tray that we're going to be using. So this is just a silver plated vintage piece. I'm going to be using acrylic paints, and I've already mixed up my resin and have it ready to go. Now I can either just pour the resin in, or I could put sand in. On this one I mixed up a sandy color, so we're just going to go ahead and go with that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour in my blue, and I'm using like a little Dixie cup. I find that they work best to split up your colors. And on my little sticks, they're actually chopsticks that I cut in half, so they work real well. So now I have my colors on, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm actually going to add a little more blue, I think. So this here is white that I have mixed with the resin. I'm just going to put a little trail going across. It's okay if you get it a little messy. And now I'm going to take my heat gun and blow it around a tiny bit. Okay, so on there you can see that the waves are starting, or it's starting to look like waves. I'm going to add a little more blue right here in the center because I kind of have a little too much white. And I just want to break that up a little bit. And add a little there too. And then we're going to go ahead and blow it again. Now when I'm blowing it, I am blowing away from me. I have touched a little on the edge here. Clean that up real quick. I always have Q-tips on the side in case I do make a boo-boo. And you can see I'm slightly tipping the platter just a tiny bit. There we go. So I'm going to clean up this little spot here. Now if you do use a silver plated platter or metal, it is going to get a little bit warm with the heat gun, so just be careful. And there's our little ocean. I hope you liked this demo. You can see more of my work on Facebook or Instagram. There we go. So you're welcome to follow me on either one. I hope you enjoyed it, and maybe you can make your own little ocean. Thanks so much and have a great day. Again, my name is Teresa Kovlek, and happy painting.